Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. The following features are included: adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.